Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to change the ringtone on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon, scroll down to the sound and vibration option, tap on ringtone, and now you can choose whichever ringtone you want. Go back, and once you go back, the ringtone you chose will be saved as your call ringtone. If you have songs on your phone and want to set a song as your ringtone, just tap the plus button and choose the song you want. You need to have the song on your phone, so pick the song. Hold on a second, I'm going to lower the volume. Once we've chosen the song, tap the button here to confirm. As I was saying, you'll select the song, go back, and the song you picked will be set as your call ringtone. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I did help, don't forget to hit like, leave your comment below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel for more videos.